Hi, this is Monique from Cuttle. In this video, I'll show you how to make this color-changing iridescent material. Then I'll share this interlocking flower design and show you how to cut it in your Cricut. I love this material because it's dichroic, which means it changes color depending on the angle you're viewing it from. It also casts rainbow shadows and makes beautiful reflections in the sunlight. We've been making projects with this material for a few years, and a lot of people have asked about it. In this video, I'll walk you through the process I used to make the material. Then I'll show you the settings I used to cut it on a Cricut. I'll share one of my flower designs so you can follow along. And we'll see how to assemble the flower and how to heat bend it to curl the petals. To make the material, you'll need clear Duralar. I'm using a 9x12 pad of 0.005 inch thickness. Then you'll need adhesive iridescent window film, which you can get on Amazon. To make the slip solution, you'll need bottled water, baby shampoo, and a spray bottle. You'll also need a scraper, Scotch tape, scissors, and a microfiber cloth. First, we'll make our slip solution. Mix a 1/4 teaspoon of baby shampoo into a cup of water. Pour this mixture into a spray bottle. Trim your window film a few inches larger than the 9x12 Duralar sheet. I like to peel a small stack of window film ahead of time so I can stay in the flow of things when applying it to the Duralar. Take 2 pieces of Scotch tape and firmly press them against both sides of a corner. One piece of tape should stick to the backing and the other to the window film. Peel them apart slightly, then fold the tape over the backing so that it's easy to peel when you're in the process of applying it to the Duralar. Now we're ready to apply the window film. Make sure that your work surface is clean and free of dust. Spray the Duralar with a generous amount of slip solution. Peel the backing off the window film. Give it a shake so that the sticky side is curved downward. I like to place it in the middle first and carefully let the sides fall down. Spray the top of the film with slip solution. This helps the scraper glide more easily over the top. Starting from the middle where you placed it, press down with the scraper and pull towards the sides, overlapping each pass as you go. Then do the same thing in the other direction. You're trying to scrape out any bubbles, so it helps to use a bit of force. Don't be discouraged if your first few sheets have bubbles. It takes some practice and experimentation with pressure to get the technique down. Even if you do end up having a couple of bubbles, a lot of the time you won't even be able to notice them once your project is assembled, since the material is so shiny. Now take a towel and dry off the excess water. Then trim any extra film off the sides. Set it on another surface to dry flat overnight. To show you how to cut this material on your Cricut, I'll be demonstrating with one of my flower designs. If you want to follow along, you can download the design from the link below. In Cuttle, click Download SVG. Look for the file in your Downloads folder. Set up your cut as you normally would in Cricut Design Space. For the flower, you'll need 5 copies of the petal, but I'm making 6 to have an extra. To cut this material, we're going to use the metallic poster board setting. here's what it looks like coming off the Cricut. I recorded myself assembling these pieces, but it can be a bit hard to see because they're transparent. So instead, I'm going to show you the assembly using the same pieces cut from cardstock. You have 5 pieces here. Make sure that yours are facing the same direction as mine. So this is one piece, and this is the front hook. This is the back hook. So you're going to take your second piece and hook the 2 front hooks together. Then you're going to spin it and hook the 2 back hooks together. So this is what the back looks like, and this is what the front looks like. So that was the last piece you put down. And so we're going to put this small petal to the left of that one. And then we're going to spin it around and hook those pieces together on the back. Then we're going to take our 4th piece, and that's the last piece we put down, so we're going to put it to the left of that one. And this one's being a little finicky, but we're going to get it in there, and then we're going to spin it around and hook it in the back. And then we're going to take our final piece and we're going to put it to the left of the one we just put down. And we're going to spin it, turn it around, and hook that last piece, and then hook any other pieces that might have unhooked. And that's it. And here's the dichroic one. Finally, I wanted to show you how to heat bend this material. Take a heat gun or a hairdryer and curl the petals upward while applying a bit of heat. I have my heat gun set on its lowest setting. I like to take my time and go around the flower a few times. You can always bend a petal more, but you can't unbend it. And you can also risk totally melting the material if you're not careful. And then eventually you'll see that the flower takes its shape. I hope you're able to incorporate this fun material into your next art or craft project. If you found this video helpful, you can support this channel by clicking like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!